What I see more often is like a fear of a
Sure.
woman, right? Especially with the younger men that have just been, born and raised in this porn culture. Every interaction, since the time that they were 11, 12 years old that they've had with a grown woman has been behind the scenes in a spectator type of thing. So think about it. If since the age of 12 you're watching people have sex, and the world is telling you like sex is intimacy and intimacy is sex, and there's no other type of intimacy other than what you're watching on the screen. Well, every time you're consuming it or every time you're involved in it, you're sitting on the sidelines, right, as a spectator. Like you're not involved in the act
Mhm.
of it. So what's going on inside a young man's mind, right? Like our brains are not fully developed as men till 26, 27 years old. So at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 years old, I'm learning sex education from a porn screen, right? And the sex education is teaching me that I'm just supposed to be here on the outside as a voyeur, as a consumer, as a spectator to it. So when I'm presented with an opportunity to approach a beautiful woman in real life, I don't know how to talk to her.
Yeah.
I don't know how she's going to respond, because the only thing I've ever wanted out of a woman was a physical release. Like I've never had the ability to actually create, intimacy through a conversation, to look the woman in her eyes. So that's where I see more men struggling. Not fear of is she gonna love me? It's fear of the woman, just the woman. So I don't know if that really answers your question specifically, but